Hey, what's up, y'all? Alonzo here. Just want to talk about some Jasmy. Man, I hope you guys did not get shook out in that, man. I've got a super interesting story that goes along with it, man. I know that it dumped there for a while, but that's indicative of the entire market. There was an influx of selling that took place there that caused the entire market to feel that. So a lot of tokens have recuperated since then, but I thought it was funny because me and my fiance, we had been talking about getting her into crypto. She's been hearing me talk about it for quite some time, me and her friends and my friends and our colleagues. And she's been kind of debating the whole weekend on whether she wants to get in or not. And finally, she decided she wanted to. And I'm like, okay, well, let me sign you up, which we used the Coinbase referral. Might I add, you guys use that referral. They give you $20 in Bitcoin if you refer somebody that actually makes a purchase. So we got her set up, and so we go in. She picks 3 tokens that she wanted, one of them being Jasmy. That's the one that she went the hardest on. And we bought it. Boom. And I'm talking about as soon as we got it, because I noticed it was a little low, it flashed a whole lot lower, and you could just see it in her face. She was panicking. She's like, I already lost this much. And I was like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm dying inside because I've seen this so many times, right? And I went to go check it out, and I do see that Bitcoin was having a little sell-off there. And I was like, babe, it'll recuperate. You'll be fine, okay? And then we kept watching. She ended up getting a couple other tokens, and they continued to go. But from our perspective, the prices were a whole lot lower than where they were. But I think her seeing the dollar amount just decrease immediately after she purchased was just nerve-wracking because she doesn't really have the stomach for this. So I've been doing it for a while, and even I've been trading stocks for a long time. So I'm accustomed to it. But, shortly afterwards, you see it recuperate, and she's actually profitable on all 3 coins that she bought. So that was cool to see. I want to point out that the other day in one of my videos, I was like, I don't know. I don't know if it was in one of my videos, but I did have a conversation with somebody. I was like, man, I think this is going to retest the 3.6. I said, no, I remember what it was. Somebody had inboxed me and they said, what do you think or whatever? And I was like, well, I think if it goes down, it'll retest, at 3.6, and then it'll bounce off of that and continue moving up. And that's what it did. If you go look at it, it actually sold off until about the 3.6 right there. And then it bounced right back up. And now we are well over the 4s. We're in 42, about to touch 43. So, maybe that's all it needed, and it's gonna be nothing but upwards action. I'm still holding. I ain't gonna sell none. I'm gonna hold on to it and see what it do. And everybody's sentiment online. I mean, if you go to X, everybody's saying the same thing. They're all like, they make the posts where they're all excited that they're buying the dip. Everybody's DCAing and buying, at a lower price and everything. So I'm hoping that we see some action. I mean, nothing else has changed. There was just a huge sell-off here. And that's it. I mean, it's recuperating already. Some tokens are taking a little bit longer, but I mean, it's already doing its thing. So I wouldn't say it's anything to worry about, guys. I know some of you are brand new to this, and you may have been panicking just like my fiance. But the thing is that most of the time you just hold through it, and it readjusts itself, it corrects itself. And then if anything, you just buy it at a discount and reduce your coin cost, you know what I'm saying? Your coin average. So, not really much to report. Nothing else has changed. It's just been a pretty good recovery. I mean, it could have continued going down, right? But at least we're going right back up. Let me take a look at this chart again. Yeah, I mean, it did dip down really low, and then now we're over here and we're moving on up. We're just kind of bouncing right there in the 42 range, 43 range. Let me see what the The technical summary summary still says buy. And that's based on 26 different indicators. It still says buy on the 1 day chart. Let me see what it says on the 1 week. On the 1 week, it still says buy. So guys, that's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to do a quick little update and share that story with you. Like, subscribe, and share. I will be posting more content. We do talk about a lot of other tokens on here, and I probably will be sharing some random tokens that I just picked up. I like to do these little gamble plays where I throw a little bit of nothing at some of these tokens and see what they do, man. So I'll probably be talking about that in my next video, guys. I appreciate you watching, and if you ain't got no Jasmy, get you some.